Welcome back. In this episode we're going to install our SD2IEC interface card. This is an internal one I've got, so I need to basically solder on the connections. I've already got my wire all here prepared for the button and the LED, and then we're going to get it all connected up and then mount it in the case. Okay, without further ado, let's get some soldering done. Probably the first thing to do is let's solder the wires onto our switch. Let's just check the pin out of these, because two of these pins are common to each other. So yeah, it's probably a good idea just to buzz them out with the meter, just to make sure I get the right pins connected. Okay, so we want the wires on those two pins. Okay. Okay, that's the wires on the switch connected. Let's now connect the wires to our LED. And obviously we don't need them as long as this. The center pin is going to be the common. Let's have a look. What colors are they? Okay, so we've got red there and green there. So it's red and green. Okay, now we've got the wires attached to our switch and LED. We can go ahead and solder them in. Probably the easiest one to do first is the LED, because it's got holes through, so we can just pop that through and solder it in. Let's just give it a quick buzz test to make sure they're not connected to each other. Yes, that's fine. Okay, and now the main cable. So, as we've got a black and a red wire here, we'll make those our power cables. Let's just pull these apart a little bit more. I think that's the best one yet. Okay, quick continuity check, just make sure I've not bridged anything. Okay, so that's all good. Now we just need to connect it to our motherboard. And this is where we need to be careful. We need to spread these out a bit because our ground wire will be quite a distance away. Or should I say our 5-volt? Because that's taken off, yeah, here, off our cassette port. So we'll do a power wire last. Okay. So the first one up, then data. And I don't mean Lieutenant Commander. Ha. Okay, so we got our SD2IEC card connected, so trying to fit the card into the case. And once you've done that, I can go and test it. Let's turn it off. Okay, so here's the bottom of a case, and as you can probably see, I've already marked out where I want everything to go. So the slot here, LED, and then the button. Time to get the Dremel out. Now it's always best to pre-drill with smaller holes and then work up to a bigger hole. Okay, now we've done our smaller holes, we need to go through it again and enlarge it with our bigger drill bit. Okay, yep, that fits in there nicely. Let's bottom our shielding first. Here it is. And of course, yeah, the insulator should also go in. Now, has to go under or over. Maybe we come up this way, just to minimize any bowing in the board. Okay, put the LED in its little holder. that's going to be a bit tight in there. The switch will go through there. Yeah, that's probably a little bit tight, so we probably need to drill that out a little bit more. Yeah, that fits in there nicely now. And then later we can hot glue that in place. Yeah, I think this plastic casing is probably a little bit too big for this LED holder. So that'll have to be glued in as well, but you can still see the LED just about. And the card. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so our SD2IEC interface has been tested and it's all working fine. So the next thing now to do is to mount it to the case. Now I've got this piece of cardboard just as a spacer here. What I'm going to do is just put a bit of hot glue on this and glue it down to the surface. So that will just act as a spacer for our board. Just make sure you get it exactly in the right place. Yeah, that's fine. So that'll sit there, and then I can just put the card in and take it out. Okay. And then what I'll do is I'll just put some double-sided tape on there because I don't really want to be gluing this to the computer because I might want to just take it out at some point. So here I have some double-sided tape. Which I can just lay in here and get it to go in straight. Okay, put the card in, just get the slot lined up properly. Okay, I'll just press down that firmly. I should be wearing my anti-static strap. But yeah, that's nice and firm, and then we can pull our card in, take it out, no problem. Our LED is already mounted. So the last thing to do is just put a bit of hot snot on this button to hold it in place so that it can be pressed without it falling out. And I'll try and get some down the sides as well. just to give it an extra bit of stability. That should do it. Need a minute or two to cool. Once it's cooling, we can slip our shield back on. Seems to have set up. Yep, we can push the button. As long as we don't force push it too hard, it'll be fine. Okay. Let's put the keyboard back in. There's some more compound go on there somehow. Okay, something not quite right there. No, we haven't got to keep that properly. Oh. That's better. Okay. And that is our mod almost complete. So yeah, that'll just go over like that. A little plastic glue. Tiniest dab because we don't want any in the slot. The idea to put this on with a toothpick just to be on the safe side. And that is it complete. So if you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button and hit subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you back for some future mods and tutorials and experiments. Thank you for watching.